Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove bloatware from Windows 11. So let's get started. Uh, Go to search bar, then type settings. Open your settings by double clicking on it. Settings will be open. Now move to apps. In the left panel, you can see the section app section. Go to apps. Now go to installed apps. As you can see here, installed apps. Now select the unwanted app which you want to now uninstall. For example, uh, hmm, I have to scroll down a bit for installing. Okay, I don't use a Skype, so just go to the three dots here, and you can see the advanced option, but you have to uninstall it. Go to uninstall option. The all apps are sorted by size. To find the biggest apps, just click on uninstall, and this works for basic apps. Now you can see my app is installed. Now remove Bloatware using PowerShell. For using PowerShell as administrator, go to search bar and search PowerShell, Windows PowerShell as you can see here. Open it. Now to run this command, you have to type get. Just follow my steps. Get app package select name. To remove a specific app, you have to type the select name of your application here. For example, I want to remove Netflix and just follow my steps. Remove app X package. It will remove my app from my whole directory of my Windows 11, and just after putting all the code, press the enter key. I can see my Netflix app is getting removed. This probably removes unwanted apps, and that's it guys. I hope you like my video. If this video helped you, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.